Hey team, in this video, I want you to look for how I use the data given to me in the line plot to answer each question. Before I even start answering my questions, I'm going to look at this line plot. I see that the X represents one student, and the numbers on the number line represent the books read. So I can see this as 1X means that one student read 0 books. 3 students read 1 book, 1 student read 2, and 4 students read 3. Now I'm going to read each question and use that data from the line plot to answer the question. This one says, how many students read exactly 2 books? That word exactly tells me I'm only looking at the amount of students that read 2 books. So I'm going to go to my number line. I'm going to find the number 2. I see that there is one X above the number 2. And since each X represents one student on this line plot, that means that one student read 2 books. Let's look at the next question. It says, how many people read at least 2 books? Let's think about that word at least. We know that the word at least means that number or more. So I'm going to be looking at the amount of books read, people who read 2 books and more than 2 books. So I'm looking at this X, which is 1, and the X's above 3, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. All together, 5 people read at least 2 books. This last question asks me how many total books were read. When I'm asked to find the total amount of books, I need to go look at my data and add everything together. I see that one student read 0 books, so we're going to write a 0 here. I see that 1, 2, 3 students read 1 book. So I'm going to write the expression 0 plus 1 plus 1. 1 student read 2 books. So I write plus 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 students read 3 books. So I write plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Notice that I am not just counting the X's, but I am looking at the number line and repeating the number on the number line the amount of times it shows up in my line plot. When I add this all together, I get 0 plus 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17. 17 total books were read.